In this video, I will show you how to change background color in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Canva. So I've currently got this default new project loaded through. Now to change the background color, all you need to do is simply click onto the actual design here. And once you've done that, you're going to see this little toolbar come up at the top. So what you want to do is click onto the color wheel, which says background color. And what it's going to do is load up this window on the left-hand side. Now from here, you can see we've got some default colors. So we can choose to set a default solid color just by clicking the appropriate color. And there's also some gradients down here as well. So if you wanted a more gradient style of background color, you can select that from here. Now you've also got the option to create your own custom colors. So to do this, if you come up to the top where it says document colors, you're going to see this color wheel with the plus symbol. So if you actually give this a click, what you can then do is choose to add your own solid color. So you can select from here and you can drag the color slider at the bottom to select your color. Now you can also go ahead and create your own gradients by clicking onto the gradient option and then selecting your style of gradient down here. So if you want like a circular gradient or a more kind of linear gradient, and you can change your gradient colors by clicking onto the appropriate colors here. So for example, I could change this to a red color, going into, let's say for example, like a purpley color. We can drag the slider to a different color. It's completely up to you what you want to choose. And you can also add further gradient colors by clicking the plus button here and add in additional gradient colors, just like so. So that's how to change background color in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.